separate entities. We've got the KaratBank, which is Karatbars' sister company, an entirely different entity based out of Singapore that was founded in 2015. And then we've got Karatbars, a 7-year-old company with 500,000 people in 120 countries that have opened up a free gold savings account that are saving in gold. We have two companies, KaratBank through the foundation of KaratBank Foundation. It's under the rules and regulations of Belize. The KaratBank Foundation is overseeing this ICO. They've issued the coins called tokens right now. They've issued the ICO. And this ICO is open to residences of select countries. And that's very important because currently, because of the laws in our countries, the United States of America, Canada, the Republic of China, Vietnam, Singapore, any country that is under, sanctions, that has sanctions against them, from the US, like Iran, for example, because of not because of KaratBank, because of our country's regulations, we are not able to participate in purchasing the tokens. So it is open to select countries. So if you reside in a country outside of those countries that I just mentioned, and by the way, they're all listed in the white paper. If you are not in a country that is able to purchase the tokens, then don't try. But let me talk to you about the ICO promotion that is open to every Karatbars affiliate, no matter where you live. Through the marketing promotion, we are able to get our tokens for free. Now, for limited time, while supplies last, we get tokens too to participate in this great offer. When the ICO is over and we go live on the public exchange, we all will have tokens. And then those tokens will be issued to our wallet. And then with those tokens, we can now exchange on the public exchange. That means that you can exchange your KaratBank token into Bitcoin, if you wish, on an exchange, and then into fiat. So right now, we have the opportunity to get free tokens, and in select countries, we can purchase the tokens. What are we doing with this coin? This is not a financial instrument. This is a utility token. It's here to perform a function. It's here to give value. The KaratBank Coin is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency specifically designed to be used as a generally accepted electronic payment means for all who consider gold as a traditional, true, secure, and value-stable medium.